Good morning, boys. Now today we do a lesson in GK. Okay? So your GK books, page 22. The heading is, what do they give us? Okay, the heading is, what do they give us? Now if you look at your book, the products are given in the middle and all around are the sources from where we get them. Okay? The first one is done for you. Number 1 is the honey bee and an arrow is drawn to the honey. So like this you can use color pencil to draw the arrows. Okay? Like fruits, from fruits we get jam. Hen gives us egg. Sheep gives us wool. Coconut tree we get coconut. From trees we get furniture. From sugar cane we get sugar. And from wheat, we get our cereals. Okay? So this, I want you to take a color pencil and draw the arrows accordingly. Now, the lesson I'm going to explain here. So please pay attention. What do they give us? Given below are some sources and their products. Sources means from where we get, and products means what we get from them. So the first one, from milk, we get butter. But milk we get from the cow, milk, okay? And then the milk is either churned or whipped, okay? Whipped, or the milk is, even if it's in a large quantity to make butter, they are taken to the factories, okay? The milk is taken to the factories. A lot of, the milk has to pass through a lot of stages, and in the end, what product do we get? Butter. So from milk, we get butter. Okay? Next one. From the silkworm, we get silk. Now this is the silkworm. It feeds on the mulberry leaves. Okay? And it eats and becomes fat, grows fat, and when it reaches a certain stage, it starts spinning its cocoon. Now the cocoon looks like this. See? The cocoon looks like this, and the worm is inside it. Okay, and all around it builds this cocoon with silk. And later on, this is taken to the factory. The cocoons are taken to the factory. It is boiled. Why it is boiled? Number 1, to kill the worm that is inside the cocoon. And number 2, it is easier to take out the thread after that. And this is the silk thread that comes out, which later on can be dyed, means colored into different colors. Okay? So from the silkworm, we get silk. Now next, from bees, we get honey. So you've seen bees going around where flowers are. They collect the nectar from the flowers. They go to their hive, carrying the nectar in their mouth. And in the hive, they have the queen bee. Can you see the queen bee here? It's bigger than the others. She is the queen bee. So what these worker bees do, they fill the hive. Small holes are there, compartments. They fill it with honey. The nectar, which later becomes a honeycomb filled with honey. This is a wild honeycomb. Okay, like this you have it. Okay, and at home also when you keep bees, they have slots inside like this, and the combs are like this. The honeycombs filled with honey. Now this is the honeycomb. When you take it out and cut into pieces, honey is dripping. Can you see? It is filled with honey. And later on, it is made into the end product, honey. Okay? Now, next, from fruits, we get jam. So, different kinds of fruits. Mixed fruit jam, we get pineapple, strawberry. All fruits, they make it into jam. First, the fruits are cut into small pieces. Then it is boiled, you add sugar and other flavors, and then jam is made. See, here strawberry jam is being made. Here, blackberry, strawberry. So jam is made in this way. So from fruits, we get jam. Now the next one, very easy, all of you know this. Where do we get our eggs from? From the hen. The hen gives us eggs. Okay? Next, from sheep, we get wool. So they have the sheep, they have this wool, okay? And the wool is cut like this. See, they use a razor, electric razor, to take out all the wool from the sheep. Nothing will happen to the sheep. It is like cutting our hair. We also cut our hair. Same way, they cut the wool from the sheep like this. See, this is sheep wool. Yes? And later, this is made into wool. Okay? So from the sheep, we get wool. Next one. From the coconut tree, we get coconut. See, this is the coconut tree, the fruit coconut. And this coconut is like this. If you've seen it, we can just eat it like that also, fresh coconut or coconut water we can eat, drink, okay? And from the coconut, oil is also made, okay? Now, next one. From trees, we get wood. See, tree, this is the teak tree. First it's cut into logs, then it's cut like this, and the end product, we get furniture from it. See, tables, beds, cupboard, chairs, benches, all things made of wood are made from trees. Okay? Now, from the sugar cane, we get sugar. So this is the sugar cane plant. The sugar cane plant is cut, taken to the factories. Again, it goes through a lot of stages, and in the end, we get sugar. Either grains like this, which we use every day while making tea and other things, and also it is made into cubes like this, sugar cubes. Okay, this is the sugar. This is just to show what it looks like. The grains looks like this. Okay, sugar grains. Now next one, from the wheat we get cereals. I've done this before. This is the wheat when it is green. When it is dry, it becomes like this. And some of the cereals that we get are oats, rice, barley, wheat, rye, corn and millet. These are the cereals, okay? And from this, we have porridge from oats and barley. We eat porridge. So these are the products and their sources. Now children, I want you to do this in your GK book. Draw the arrows, and at the same time, I also want you to do the next page, this one, fun and learn. It's very, very easy. I'll just go through it. Letters of animal names are jumbled. They are mixed. Identify them with the help of given clues and pictures. So pictures are given. Like number 1, TAGO, a domestic animal. Picture is also given. What is it? Goat. So you will write here GOAT. Small letters all. REBA, a wild animal with fur. Bear. BEAR. XOF, a cunning animal. Fox. FOX. So like this, it is very, very easy. I want you to write the answers to this also. So after watching the video, you are supposed to do this page and this. Okay boys? Thank you.